All right, everybody, this will be a quick cold start video on this 2008 Sierra 5.3 liter pickup truck. It's been sitting here for more than 24 hours, nice and cold. Gonna fire it up right now. You'll be able to hear the engine cold and hear the exhaust here in the garage. Ready? Hear the exhaust against the wall back here. Sounds great. Yeah. All right. Just wanted to give you that little cold start video on this nice truck. Thanks for looking.